The truth about affiliate marketing. Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today's video is all about the truth of affiliate marketing. Do you also run a business to make $1,000 a day from the comfort of your home? Well, affiliate marketing is the key, but in affiliate marketing, there are some key points that you might now know. In this video, we will talk about what exactly to expect from affiliate marketing, the legit side of it, and what are your chances of losing your time and money. Before we begin, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so that you never miss out on more videos like this one. Here we begin. Number 15. It is a legit business, but do your homework before starting. Knowing the realities before getting into affiliate marketing, you will avoid scams, and when done properly, you will avoid wasting time and money before deciding it isn't for you. Just be aware of what it needs and learn the appropriate ways to do it. Number 14, you can use it as an additional revenue source. It takes a long duration to get sales via affiliate marketing. If you're going down to community building, there are several revenue sources that you can look for in this business. You can have a YouTube channel to bring revenues by views and affiliate links and more to make an extra source of income via affiliate marketing. Number 13, think of your job as providing information, not selling products. If it is not true at all, simply because you won't make much money if you don't sell products, but the best affiliate marketers are taking this approach, and the ones who have success are those who focus on providing great information. You need to focus on building the community and setting yourself up as an authority in the field you are providing content about, and then add affiliate links to the products you use or recommend. You should be genuine to your viewers so that they can get the right product and info. Number 12. Even when your blog is up and running, it won't run itself. After working for a year, you have got something. That includes you can sit back and relax and watch the passive income flow in. Well, it is not that. Things are just starting after a year, and now's the time you have got to work even harder and keep the momentum going. You have to work on your website or channel daily, add new content constantly, curate older content or more to get your earning way faster than it took you to build it up. Number 11, discovering a niche will help out. Affiliate marketing is so crowded that it's essential to discover something that will single you out and not appear at the bottom of the search. For example, suppose you love cat videos and everyone is into it. So what would make you stand out? You need something specific like vegan-friendly footwear, smartphone accessories for traveling creators, smart appliances for less budget, and more. These are the niches, and you can also go for something specific and defined and something you are interested in and using yourself as well. That will single you out from the crowd and help people get what they're searching for. Number 10, sell products you know and love. Have you ever signed up for some marketing schemes with scammy affiliate marketing that you get to sell something you don't care about? There are some reasons why that will not work. First, even if the product is legit, you will lose enthusiasm when you realize it takes a while for dollars to start rolling. So choose something you know about and are passionate about. Get vlogging and blogging about it. Create content that people will watch. Do reviews, talk about products you use, and add affiliate links to them. Number 9, products could be fake. Yes, affiliate marketing networks provoke you to sign up to their network and then get you to sell the products that don't even exist. The fitness industry has experienced this with the weight loss products that never arrived. As the affiliate marketer, you are the one who ends up looking stupid. This is because you have created a link to that product that doesn't exist, and somebody who visits your site has been scammed. Number 8, if it's a real affiliate marketing guru, they won't be spamming you. People are making steady income from affiliate marketing, and in some cases, something even better than that. Some people are making millions or thousands of dollars and sharing their pieces of advice for free. But unfortunately, some affiliate marketing gurus are spamming you to sign up for the expensive but worthless mentoring program. Try searching on Google for them and check out what arrives. That is not information, and no such gurus exist. Think about it. If they were successful at affiliate marketing and they have millions of dollars made from their secrets, would they desire to give their secrets to you? Number 7, if it's a pay-to-join program, there's probably a scammer behind it. Besides the worthless courses, scammers in affiliate marketing will create affiliate programs that you need to pay to join. Credible affiliate networks like Amazon affiliates are free to join. Just think of it. Why would you need to pay? When you join the affiliate program, you will offer your products, and if you make sales, you will get paid commission. If you won't, you have wasted your time, but the person you're trying to do their marketing for won't even care. So why do you need to pay? That's why when you get spammed with some affiliated marketing schemes you need to pay to join, it is surely an alarming situation for you. Number 6, expansive strategy guides. They are almost a scam. Here we're talking about the overpriced guides that lay out the strategies, promising that they will teach you their hidden secrets and have you up to your eyeballs in cash in weeks. For these affiliate marketers, that guide is their main source of income. Often they were written by people who failed at what they were claiming to be teaching. In that strategy guide, they forget to mention the negative sides of affiliate marketing, and they work as a scam. Number 5, most affiliate marketers are broke, and that's why they start scamming affiliate marketers. There are affiliate marketers who make money in a legit way, but there are many who are broke, and when they can't sell their products, they begin to make money in other ways. One way is to start selling the dream instead, and scamming is one of those ways. Number 4, over 90% of affiliates never make money and quit in their first 3 months. You might consider it safe to say that various people saw it as a get-rich-quick scheme and gave up when they found it was tougher and slower than they thought. One thing on the positive side is affiliates who last year have a higher success rate. This means that if you're not making money in 12 months, you are doing it wrong. It's a business that takes months to get you from $0 to $100. But if you're good at it, just 1 month is enough to attain that. Number 3, it requires a lot more hard work and time. If you're still thinking of affiliate marketing as a get-rich-quick scheme, then stop believing the scammers. Either start things off as a bust-your-ass working for a year before you see any income at all scheme, and the other thing you will be busting your ass on is creating the quality content and building it over some time. Also, building a community of people interested in what you have to say and keep on coming back to your website. If you do it right, after some months you will discover the money starts coming in. But remember, that doesn't mean there is any guarantee. So when you see someone saying that you can make money overnight, that's not true. Number 2, it's $1 million business, but it is not easy at all. This business is worth about $12 billion a year, accounting for 15% of all digital media revenue. Recently, that's been growing by 10% a year, and it's set to keep on doing that. There are numerous examples of reputable websites, YouTube channels, blogs that provide valuable content, help people make informed decisions, offer value, and send visitors to various offers, but just because it makes more money doesn't mean it's easy. And at number 1, affiliate marketing is a legit marketing strategy. But schemes people don't need to be selling are legit. If someone is displaying an ad on the internet for a gold mine, it is designed with the word scam written in big red letters. So what is affiliate marketing like when done right? It could be someone who runs the blog, website, or a YouTube channel providing quality content about something they know. It could be anything from gardening to snowboarding to personal finance. On that website, they place some links to products and services that are relative to their content. Then for each purchase anyone makes through those links, the affiliate gets paid. Notice they are providing quality content, not spamming you with promises. And that's what legit affiliate marketing is like. So that will be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Until the next time, stay tuned and subscribe for more quality videos like this one.